In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voice messages on Discord. We'll record a quick clip with a free browser tool and then post it straight into a Discord channel or direct message. All you need is a computer with a microphone, a web browser, and your Discord account open. Start by opening your browser and searching for online voice recorder. In the results, look for the option that says online voice recorder, record voice from the microphone. Click that link to open the tool. It runs completely in your browser, so there's nothing to install. On the recorder page, you'll see a large microphone button. Click it to begin. The first time you do this, your browser may ask for permission to use the microphone. Make sure to allow it and choose the correct input if you have multiple mics. For the cleanest sound, speak clearly, stay a consistent distance from the mic, and try to reduce background noise by closing windows or moving to a quieter spot. When you're finished speaking, click the stop button. Use the play control to preview your recording. If you need to, trim a few seconds off the beginning or end using the on-screen handles until it sounds just right. Once you're happy, click save. The site will export your clip as an MP3 and download it to your computer, usually into the downloads folder. Rename the file if you'd like, so it's easy to find. Now switch over to Discord, open the server, channel, or direct message where you want to share the voice message. Drag the MP3 file from your computer into the message field or click the plus icon, choose upload a file and select your recording. Add an optional caption if you want, then press enter to send. Discord will upload the audio and show it as an attached file that anyone in that channel can play. If the upload doesn't go through, double check your internet connection and make sure the file isn't larger than your upload limit. Shorter clips are more reliable and easier for listeners to digest. As a courtesy, keep your message concise and verify you're posting in the right channel, especially in busy servers. That's all there is to it. You've recorded a voice clip in your browser, saved it as an MP3, and shared it on Discord with just a few clicks. Reuse the same process anytime you need to send a quick voice update, a pronunciation guide, or a short walkthrough to your friends or teammates.